Alright, this is picking etude number 5. We're subdividing the beat up into 16th notes and we're alternate picking everything. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to play it for you and then we're going to pull it apart. Alright, here's the metronome set to 60 beats a minute. Go. 1, 2. Alright, so the first bit of this, you're just playing an E on the 9th fret and 16th notes. So we got our metronome set to 60. You're playing, and I'm playing in the 7th position. It's an E minor scale fingering. And what I'm doing, I just have the 3rd finger there because the rest of it really sits in that 7th position really well. So the first measure, just 4 beats of the E. Now the second measure, we're starting on that E on the 9th fret. We're going 9 and then 7, 8 on the 2nd string. And then 9 again. That's the first beat. 9, 7, 8, and then 9 on the 3rd string. And then on the 2nd string, 7, 8, 10, 7 on the 1st string. And then we do our first beat again as the 3rd beat. 9 on the 3rd string, 7, 8 on the 2nd string, 9 on the 3rd string. And then on the 4th beat, the last beat of that measure, we're going 8 and 9 on the 3rd string, 7 on the 2nd string, and then 8 on the 3rd string again. So that measure, now if you watch my hand, it's all alternate pick no matter what strings we're on. You really have to make sure that you don't do 2 down picks in a row if you're going to adjoining strings. Alright, so we've got the second measure starts the same way with the same first beat. Same second beat. But then for the 3rd and 4th beats, we're starting on the 8th fret on the 1st string and going 8, 7, and then on the 2nd string, 10, 8, 7, 9 on the 3rd string, 7 on the 2nd string, 8 on the 3rd string. So that one goes, and then the 3rd measure is the same as the 1st measure. And then the 4th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5th measure actually, the next measure, we're actually doing this bit where it goes down the scale. And what you're doing is 1st string, it's actually a sequence of 6 notes, or 8 notes actually. On the 1st string, 12, 10, 8, and then 2nd string, 12, 10, 8, and then 11 and 9 on the 3rd string. And then on the 2nd string, 12, 10, 8, 3rd string, 11, 9, 7, and then 10 and 9 on the 4th string. So you got 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Alright, and there's a repeat sign, which, if you notice, I played that first section twice when I played the song. Obviously, we're not going to go back and learn the whole thing twice. But the second time you come around, you go through that repeat sign. So instead of going back at the top, what we're going to do is we're doing that measure, and then we have one more sequence where it goes on the third string 11, 9, 7, fourth string 10, 9, 7, and then 10, 9, 7 on the fifth string. And then I'm pedaling or repeating this E, which is the 7th fret, 5th string. For beats 3 and 4, and then 1 and 2 on the next measure. And then we have this little walk up, where we're going 7, 9, 10, 7. So on the 5th string, 7, 9, 10. And then 7 on the 4th string, and then we're going 9 on the 4th string, and then we're going 7 on the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd. And notice that I'm barring my first finger, but I'm kind of rolling it. We don't want it to ring together like that. We just want them to be individual notes. And you can do that with one finger, but you do have to actually kind of roll the whole deal. Alright, and then once again, you are alternate picking, even though it'd be real easy to go like this, where the idea here is to really, really be strict with the alternate picking. Alright, so starting from those walk downs the second time around, then the pedal, 1, 2, and then the walk up. Now this is where it starts getting pretty tricky. This is actually where we have a pretty wide string skip. Each of these bits, we're playing the 10th fret on the 5th string, the 12th fret on the 4th string, and then we're skipping up to the 12th fret on the 2nd string. So we're doing that twice, or 2.5 times. We're going 5th string, 4th string, 2nd string, 5th string, 4th string, 2nd string, 5th string, 4th string. And that's one time through the pattern. It's 2 beats. And it's all alternate picked, and it's all 16th notes. 1 E and 2 E and Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do, same idea, but we're moving the first finger down a string to the 9th. So we're going 9th on the 5th string, still 12th on the 4th string, and the 10th fret on the 2nd string. Whoops, sorry about that. Same pattern, right? So basically we have, it's like a G chord, where that comes from. This is out of like a D chord right there. And then we're coming down, and we're playing on the, on the 5th string, the 7th fret, 9th fret on the 4th string, and then 8th fret on the 2nd string. So that bit right there, we're starting here with what I consider the G chord. That's the 10, 12, 12. You do 2 beats of that, 2 beats of what I consider the D over F sharp, which is the 9, 12, and 10, and then pretty much 3 beats. There's 2 beats of the E minor bit coming out of this E minor chord. You do 1 more beat, like beat 3. And then you do the same thing on the D over F sharp chord, and that goes twice. I'll demonstrate. And then you repeat.